Hello everyone, new video today of Swiss Spirit Special Edition 2021. I just received it like 20 minutes ago. It's really beautiful. I had a look, of course. It's really a beautiful one. So let's go. For the number, it's 3701 63L21. So climber wood. Here we have the certificate. So it's limited to 12,000 pieces, pocket knives. So I'll let you pause the video if you want to read this. If you are German, there is in German too. So here's the Swiss Spirit 2021. It's exactly as the climber, of course. 91mm knife, 18 millimeters for the thickness, 82 grams, and 12 functions, and not 14 because we don't have tweezers and toothpick, of course, as we have wood for the scales. It's walnut wood, to be precise. So I see you in 10 seconds. So firstly we have corkscrew, hook, awl, reamer. Here we have, of course, large blade, pen blade, small blade, scissors, and can opener, little flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, larger flathead screwdriver, and wire bender. The keyring, of course, which makes, of course, 12 functions. So it's a really beautiful piece, as you can see. It's really beautiful. And the back.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
It's really a unique piece, a really beautiful piece. I really like it. So to go back in time, we have Swiss Spirit 2020 and 2019. So we add Explorer Plus with plus scales and EvoWood 10. So coming from Wenger. So of course this series started in 2019. So I have the complete series. I have information. It's not 100% sure, but Victorinox is talking about canceling this series, the Swiss Spirit series. So not sure, but it's probable. It's likely that they cancel it. They discontinue this Swiss Spirit series. So if it's the case, there will have been only 3 models, so not a lot. If they really do discontinue this series, yes, I will be a bit sad. It was a good one, I think. It was really a good one, but we'll see. If I have any information, I will let you know, of course. So I think that's it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment. If you have any questions in the comment section, as always, I answer every question. So That was the Swiss Spirit 2021. Next videos coming, we'll have video about Huntsman Light, where I will compare the old light and the new light. So you'll see that. Another video about a comparison between Farmer X and Huntsman, and of course many more videos in the future. So to see all that, subscribe, notification bell, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Really hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, be well, and see you next time. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig